As dawn breaks, the forest awakens with the gentle rustle of leaves and the soft chirping of birds. The calming lo-fi beats blend seamlessly with the tranquil sounds of nature, creating a peaceful harmony that invites relaxation. Breathe deeply and let the serenity of the surroundings wash over you, grounding you in the moment. Imagine yourself standing among the towering trees, sunlight filtering through the branches, as a gentle breeze caresses your skin. With each note, allow your thoughts to drift away, embracing the stillness within and letting your mind reflect in this beautiful embrace of nature.